Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
By the way, what are your feelings today?
I am good, sir.
Oh, sounds great. You are good. How about the others? Are you feeling sad? Mad or excited to our lesson?
God, great.
Same with me. I'm also hungry. Okay. Before we proceed to our proper discussion, let's stand first and let us pray. Stand. Okay, you may now take your seat. Okay, class. What are our classroom rules? Yes, Mitzi.
Be responsible.
Yes, correct. Be responsible for the action that you are doing when we are doing our activity. Yes, Mario.
Follow instructions.
Follow instruction. Correct. Yes, Isha.
No cheating.
No cheating. That is the first thing that we need to remember when we are doing our activity. We don't need to cheat. Okay, and last, yes, Reggie.
Respect everyone, sir.
Yes, correct. Respect everyone. So now, before we proceed to our proper discussion, I would like to ask you what our previous lesson yesterday. Yes.
Finding the sum of arithmetic sequence, right?
Yes, correct. Finding the sum of the terms of arithmetic sequence. Before we proceed to our discussion, I have here a short activity. If you still remember our topic yesterday. Okay. Do you remember? Do you know what this game called is?
No, sir.
Wheel, that's correct. It is a wheel. So all you need to do is to spin this wheel. There is a corresponding sequences that you're going to answer in the board. I will going to call the name. Then that person will go to stand here and spin this wheel. And what do you call this one? The sequence that we are going to spin is the thing that we're going to answer on the board. Okay. The first person is, yes, Reggie. Are you excited? Medyo. Okay. Come here in front and spin the wheel. I'll before anything else, I will be going to hold this wheel so that everybody will see it. Okay? Go! Oh. Stop! Stop. Your sequence is 5, 7, 9, 11. All you need to do is to find the sum of the terms of arithmetic sequence or the given sequence. Yes. Your sequence is 5, 7, 9, and 11. So how are you going to find the sum of it?
We need to answer.
Yes, correct. We need to add those sequences. And then, correct, sir? Yes. $32, correct?
Correct, sir.
Okay. 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equal to 32. By following the formula, by using the formula, Sn is equal to n times a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2. So now, what is our n?
3.
How many terms are there in a sequence? 4, correct. 4, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So the n is 4. So what is our a sub 1? Yes, correct. 5. How about our a sub n?
No.
11. Are you sure 11?
4.
No, it's 11. Correct. And then let's divide it by it 2. So what are we going to do next?
Add the numerator.
Yes. 5 plus 11,
16.
16. Divided by
2.
2. So what we are going to do next?
Divide 6 the numerator.
Okay, 4. Then 16 divided by 2, 8. Then 4 times 8.
32. Negative na, sir.
No, this is not negative. This is a positive 4. 4 times 8.
32.
Oh, correct. Te, ang answer niyo, Reggie, kanina, sakto?
Yes.
Okay, so, well, I am going to call a name again. Mitzi, you are going to spin the wheel. 1, 2, 3, spin. Dun, 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 dun. Stop. Your sequence is wala pa. Again. It's the same, yes. You need to spin again.
I think it's good.
Oh, we're done. Your sequence is 8, 12, 16, and 20. So follow what I am,
Using the formula?
Yes, using the formula. Okay, 12, 16, and 20. 20. Okay, let's check the answer of Mitzi. So now again, what is the value of our n?
4.
4 because
4 numbers.
there is only 4 terms in a sequence. So now, what is our a sub 1?
8.
8. Correct. So what about a sub n? 20. So we need to divide it by 2. Correct. So the next thing to do is add the numerator. So it will become 28. Then divided by 2. So after that, divide 28 by 2. It will become 14. 4 divided by 14 is equals to 56. Okay, correct. So now, I know that you are familiar with our topic yesterday. So we are going to move on to our next activity that I titled it or entitled with roll me. Oh, I already forgot it.
Roll me.
Roll me. So I know that all of you are excited to our next activity. Okay. So the should be very messy. Bagsak. Okay, before we proceed to our activity, all we need to do is to roll these dice on the floor or what strategy that we are going to use so that you can come up with this corresponding points so that each corresponding points you will going to move in this maze and then I will going to divide you first to two groups. Let's see from you start one two one two. Okay, group one and group 2. So now, again, all you need to do is to roll these dice on the floor and each roll of these dice, there is a corresponding points so that you will going to move this on the maze. Okay, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start from the group 1. Yes, group 1. I no. There is a representative to each group naman. Group 1, group 2, please start. Oh, 1 plus 3. So you need to add 3 to 1. So 1, 2, 3. Oh. 4 na sila tayo.
Wow.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, roll! Wow, as well! Okay, plus 3. Okay, next, group 1 again. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1. Okay. From 4, round to 5. Okay, next group. Group 2. 6! Very good! Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next group. 5!
Yay! Then 1, 2, 3.
5. Okay. Same as the lang kasi. Go! 3.
Large group 2.
3. 1, 2, 3. Mag-shortcut.
13.
13. Group 1. 1. 1. 11. Oy. Group 2 are
Hindi
balik na sa
mag-1.
tubo. Mag-1 na. May minus 2. 1! 2. Okay, next. Go! 4! Lapit na lang! Go! Next! 1! Oh, 16. Go to 16.
Sweet 16.
Wait, atong siya na ito.
1!
Sige na, dito.
Still the same. Wala may nagamit. Go! 3! Wait.
Oh, no!
Ayan, o.
Ayan,
1, 2, 3. 19. Okay, galing na sila tatlo. Dapat.
Yun. That's it. I got you.
What? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Lalapit na lang sila.
4. Wala na.
Alam mo, Spanish pag buwan, hindi ako ng Spanish.
Uy, madali.
Ayo, ano, one
Wow.
Ganito pa, ganito pa.
Okay.
Watch me.
Minus 3.
Three.
Isa na lang.
1, 2, 3, isa na lang.
Huli na na tayo.
Ano?
Very lucky, always got 1.
One at a time.
Bam, bam.
Yay.
4, okay.
Pagkabalik na yan.
No, that's our rule. Kung sino ang makauna finish, siya magada ko. Congratulations to Group 2. I will give your prize after this class. See me after class, okay? Okay, now, I know you are very happy to our previous activity. So, let's going to move to our proper discussion. Okay, class. What have you observed to our given illustration? There is no wrong answer here. Yes? Isha?
I have seen a number of triangles that getting bigger and bigger.
Correct. That triangles, the numbers of the triangle is going bigger and bigger. Another answers. Yes, Mario.
Pattern.
Pattern. What kind of pattern have you seen in this illustration?
Geometry.
Geometry? Geometric?
Geometric.
Geometric one. Geometric sequence. So now, I know that you have observed in this given illustration that the illustration shows geometric sequence. So today, we are going to discuss or we are going to illustrate geometric sequence. So now, before we proceed to our activity, what are our standard groups of our activity? What are the standards? Yes, Mitzi?
Cooperate with your mates.
Cooperate with your group mates. Another?
Follow direction.
Follow directions, correct? Yes, Reggie. No cheating. No cheating, yes, that is the most important thing to do when we are doing our activity. Yes, last, Mario.
Do not roam around.
Oh, correct. Do not roam around. Okay, before I will going to distribute this envelope to you, I will going to group you into 4. Okay, let's see. Start from you.
1, 2,
3, 4. Okay. Now, this envelope, there is a respective task that you are going to do. Okay. All you need to do is to answer this task inside the envelope. Answer this in just 10 minutes. And after that, and after you are answering this activity, you will going to present this in front of the class in just 2 minutes. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. You may answer now. Okay, time is up. Pass your paper or your work. Okay, let's start from Group 1. Group 1, kindly present your work in front. Okay, thank you, group 1. And now let's going to proceed to group 2. Yes, correct. Now let's proceed to group 3. Thank you, group 3. And now let's proceed to our last group, group 4. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now, how did you find the activity?
Hard.
Oh, yes, hard. I know that it is hard because it is a new lesson. Yes, another answer.
It's fun.
It's a fun, yes. I know that you are fun with our activity. Another.
It is challenging, sir.
Yes, it is challenging because, as what I have said earlier, it is a new topic that I have given to you. Okay. I would like to ask you if how do you obtain the common ratio in a given sequence?
Sir,
Yes.
by dividing the second term to the first term.
Yes, correct. To obtain the common ratio in a given sequence, we need to divide the succeeding term or the second term to preceding term or to the first term. For example, 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Again, how to obtain the common ratio in a given sequence? To divide
The second term.
the second term to the first term. By the way, what is our succeeding term in this sequence?
4.
Yes, 4 and no, 8, 6. Okay, the succeeding term in this sequence is 4, 6, and 8. Or what about the preceding term?
4,
4.
2,
We can call 4 preceding term in, that's correct, 642. Why? Because 8 is the succeeding term and below that is our preceding term. Okay, again, I will show you another example. Okay, again, the sequence are 3, 9, 27, and 81. And what do you think are their common ratio? Yes, Isha.
I think their common ratio is 3.
Why did you say that the common ratio of the in the given sequence are 3?
Because the second term, because I divided the second term.
Yes, correct. Because if we divide the succeeding term into preceding term, we can obtain common ratio 3. Because 9 divided by 3 is equal to,
3.
correct, 3. So, this number below, under the terms are the common ratio. Okay, another example. Okay, what have you observed to this sequence? What is the common ratio in our illustration?
What?
Before we're going to answer that, please analyze carefully our illustration so that you will be exactly get the common ratio listed in that sequence. Yes, Mario.
It is multiple of 5, sir.
It is multiple of 5. No. Yes, Misha. What is the common ratio in that illustration?
the common ratio of the illustration is 2.
Yes, correct. The common ratio in this illustration is 2 because if we count the number of dots here, it multiplies by 2. Example, 5. There, diba, lima na ito na dots, so 5. So, it will become 10 to the next term because,
8 times multiplied by 2.
yes, we multiply by 2. 2, it becomes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. To obtain the common ratio in this illustration, or in this sequence, we need to divide second term again to the first term, which is 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Correct. Correct. 2. Okay. And now, we will going to summarize all the things that you have learned in this class or in this lesson or topic. So, by doing this, I have here illustration that you will going to use in order for you to answer our next activity. Okay, any sheet of paper will do so that you can answer our activity. Okay, good. Before anything else, I would like to say to you the instruction of this activity. Okay, through concept mapping, you need to think a word or you need to interpret what is geometric sequence in your own idea. Okay? And this activity is only just 2 minutes. Okay, any sheet of paper, you can answer our activity. Okay, time is up. Who can share his or her work in front of the class? Yes, Mario.
Geometric sequence has preceding and succeeding terms.
Yes, another one. Geometric sequence has a common ratio. Correct. Geometric sequence has a common ratio.
Geometric sequence is also an infinite sequence.
Yes, correct. Geometric sequence has or infinite sequence. And lastly, Mitzi, do you have an answer?
Geometric sequence is a series of sequences.
Ibasa nila ng akong answer sa board. Okay, all your answers in our activity today is all correct. Before anything else now, if we will go into compare our life into sequence, now there's our time that there's a lot of problems that comes to us. Like a sequence, there is no limitations. We're going to some problems like that. Very continuous pala, no? Walang biglang patang ako problema like a sequence. Hindi siya mapunta, sometimes hindi kayo siya masumal. Like, no problem, even though na-solve na siya, but still, naiharapin siya Japon yan, no? Bigyan din na sa Japon yan, hindi ko solve. Okay. And at this time, I have here short activity that you will go into answer. Okay. Again, and a separate sheet of paper. Please answer this activity. This will serve as your quiz in our lesson today. Okay. By observing this illustration, all you need to do is to find the fourth term. By simply, ma-draw ka mo galasin sa sunod-sunod kung what is the fourth term of this sequence. Okay? Your time start now. By the way, it only 3 minutes to take this activity. Okay, time is up. Pass your papers in front. Okay. And now, your assignment for today is, this assignment will go in, you will go in to answer this in your home, at your home. I mean, in your home, no? And tomorrow, we will go in to check this, and this will be served as your attendance tomorrow. Okay? Okay. Thank you, class. Class dismissed.